Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today we're looking at the next generation of hospital helpers, drone deliveries scaling to the millions, and a new warehouse robot that's built for speed. First up, Diligent Robotics has begun rolling out Moxi 2.0, its most advanced hospital logistics robot yet. Building on 5 years of service in over 25 hospitals, Moxi 2.0 comes equipped with a new robotic world model and processing power that's 15 times faster. This allows the robot to navigate the complex and fast-paced hospital environment with greater confidence, reasoning about people, doors, and equipment in tight spaces. Moxi is designed to give clinical staff back hours of their day by taking on routine, non-patient-facing tasks, and this latest version promises to be an even more capable and reliable teammate. Next, your Uber Eats order might soon be arriving by air. Uber is partnering with Zipline to bring drone delivery to millions of customers across the United States. The companies are targeting an ambitious goal: 1 million drone deliveries every single day by the end of 2029. Zipline already operates on 4 continents, making a delivery every 20 seconds. This partnership will integrate their proven autonomous drone technology directly into the Uber Eats platform, starting later this year and expanding to dozens of cities. It's a major step toward making automated, on-demand aerial delivery a mainstream reality. And finally, Geekplus is pushing warehouse automation to new heights with its new RoboShuttle Hyper. This tote-to-person climbing robot is designed for the intense demands of e-commerce and micro-fulfillment. The Hyper can climb racks at up to 1.5 meters per second and features innovative dual robot operation within the same column, boosting efficiency. When paired with the new Max workstation, it can feed over 800 totes per hour. By increasing robot path density and concurrency, the RoboShuttle Hyper is built to expand fulfillment applications and meet the need for high-speed, high-throughput logistics. That's all for today's RoboBrief. For more on the latest in robotics and physical AI, visit robobrief.tech and subscribe.